Okay, thank you. Good afternoon.
So can you just go to the slide mode? Yeah. Yes, sir.
So the topic is perspectives of community eye services for the masses. The relevance is that the eye health has profound implication for all aspects of life. As the life expectancy is increasing and the lifestyle changes, the number of people affected is set to grow substantially. And critically, 90% of the people living with vision loss reside in low and middle income countries. The economic impact of visual impairment is considerable. The prevalence we know that is 1.1 billion people who are living with untreated vision impairment as per the data of 2020, and which is expected to grow to 1.8 billion by 2050. And 90% of the vision loss could be prevented or treated with existing highly cost effective interventions. So, thus, I just brought this slide to emphasize that the community-based ophthalmic services, how important they are actually. So, if you just compare with hospital-based ophthalmic care with all subspecialties, and vis-a-vis community-based services, outreach at mass level, treatment in remote areas, screening, health education, teleophthalmology, so it outweighs it. And there are benefits to the community, like the approach of healthcare services to patients' doorstep, screening of patients and school children who are otherwise missed and at times may land up into blindness, and the awareness amongst the public. It's not only the community, even the doctors are benefited, like we are able to focus on visually disabling diseases, and we in the medical colleges faculties particularly, they are getting their residents oriented with the need of their orientation, and we are able to expose them to research methodology, interpretation and presentation of data from the community. And not only that, the soft skills are enhanced if residents they participate in community health cares, and this inculcates a spirit of teamwork amongst them. So the model of community eye care delivery in India is it's all in the form of general eye camps, and it may be just a fixed primary eye care facilities like an hub and spoke model, like we have base hospital and peripheral centers. Then a mobile primary eye care centers, and then the teleophthalmology has really changed it and made a lot of addition advantages to it. And we know the types of camps are the outreach. They are single specialty camps, multiple specialty camps, mega camps, base hospital based camps. And how this has a good impact on the society. This is just an example to show, just by distributing free spectacles to the community if they require, suppose in the school screening programs or otherwise also, it reduces road traffic accidents, it enhances learning in children, prevents amblyopia, it slows the onset of cognitive decline and dementia among elderly people who are struggling with poor sight, and freedom from morbidity. Thus, in general, if you see, we are improving the economy of individuals and the country. So this is the impact of like this community care. And the focus areas are on cataract, glaucomas, like in the screening of awareness and education, refractive errors, school screening programs, diabetic retinopathy screening camps, and the corneal blindness programs. This is I just shared with our all departments participation, like a mega eye camps in Netrakum Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh 2019, and Netrakum Haridwar, where all free spectacles were distributed. And the so many people, like 1.5 lakh people in the 2019 were benefited with the only just by spectacles, apart from the surgical procedure. And this year in Netrakum Haridwar, 50,000 spectacles were distributed free of cost. So what is the carry home message? We as an individual ophthalmologist can participate for this social cause. Spare at least 1 day per week from your routine work for the social service. Hold a monthly camp on a fixed date at peripheral area, which is a very effective. And later this center may be converted to as a satellite your hospital or a vision center, depending upon whether you're in private sector or you're in the government sector. Devote your time, free of subsidize some services, educate the people. It's our duty. and collaborate with local clubs or social organizations, which will help you. Thank you very much. The purpose of this topic was just to highlight why the community ophthalmology services are important, or even for when we are practitioners or even we are working, we should not look it as a downgraded thing. It's very important for the society. Thank you very much.